Okay, so let's mirror these things across. So what I've done is I've pressed N to get rid of my window here on the keyboard, and I've just nipped over into the spanner area here. This is the modifiers area. Okay, what we need to do is we need to add a modifier. So the first modifier we need to look at is going to be mirror. Okay, now immediately we can see what's happened is it's mirrored this side over here. The really nice thing about this, just to show you, is that if I pick up this vertex here, it mirrors it literally. So whatever we do on this side will also happen over this side, which is really handy, in fact, for the way we're going to work. Okay. The other thing that we want to do is if I flip around middle mouse button and come around, I want to mirror things out this way as well. The problem that we might have actually is that our origin point is in fact here, and it should be here. So I'm just going to change that. Same thing as we did before. Make sure you're in edit mode, so not the orange lines but the black lines with the vertices, faces, etc. If it's all orange like this, press A. A selects everything, deselects everything. Okay, so if it's orange, for this thing we need to be deselected. So go through those same steps as we did before. We right click on the vertex, we go to mesh, snap, cursor to selected, which would have worked if I hadn't accidentally hit the viewport there. Let's just try that one again. Snap, cursor to selected, okay, and then we need to press the tab key to get out of edit mode. Then we need to go object, transform, origin to 3D cursor. Okay. Now the reason we've done that is because if we hadn't done, when we go over to a mirror modifier here and we press Y, it wouldn't have mirrored out, because it needs to mirror out over the point of origin. If the point of origin is here, then basically it's going to mirror out into itself, and that wouldn't have worked. So we've mirrored out now over here. So if I press Z on the keyboard, what we have is just basically what looks like a cube. Okay, but what we know is the only part of the cube that exists is this one. The rest are all mirrored. Okay, so let's press number 1 on the keyboard, and we can see our gatehouse here that we need to do a bit more work to. So we'll do that up in the next little video.